In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical text in Google Docs. This is an incredibly helpful trick, especially when you're looking to add a creative flair to your documents, design unique layouts, or simply want your text to stand out. I'll guide you through the process step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly add vertical text to any of your projects. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you have your Google document open and ready to go. If you haven't already, take a moment to load your document. Now let's head over to the top menu and look for the Insert option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, filled with various options. Hover your cursor over the word Drawing. This will trigger another set of choices to pop out. From here, click on New. This action will pop up a new window where we can get started with creating our vertical text. Once the drawing window is open, your next step is to locate the text box tool. You'll find it residing in the toolbar at the top of this window. It might look like a little square with a T inside it. This tool is important as it allows us to create the text element that will later transform into vertical text. With the text box tool selected, proceed to draw your text box somewhere in the drawing canvas. At this stage, you don't need to fret too much about the size or position of the text box. These can be adjusted later with ease. After you've drawn the text box, it's time to add in what you want it to say. Type or paste your desired text inside this box. As you do this, make sure to center the text within the box. This bit is critical because it'll ensure that the appearance of your vertical text is neat and aligned nicely, especially once it is merged into your document. Now you might notice a little circular handle hovering just above the text box. This is your rotation handle. It's the key to turning your text vertical. Click on this circular handle, hold it down, and gently rotate the text box until it achieves a vertical orientation. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get it perfectly aligned, but that's perfectly fine. The process is part of the fun. Feel free to adjust the positioning of the text box within the drawing window to suit your liking. Once you're happy with the orientation and the position of your text, move right along and click Save and Close. Just like that, you've placed vertical text into your document. It adds an unexpected yet stylish touch to your layout. It's incredibly rewarding to see your work take shape in front of you. And there you have it. That's how you can easily create and incorporate vertical text into your Google Docs with just a few simple steps. Whether you're sprucing up a report or crafting a creative document, this technique can really elevate your work. Thanks for following along and happy text styling.